Switzerland, in the city of Zurich. There's a scenic spot on the shores of the lake. There's a place where you can discover Switzerland through cooking. Sherly's Kitchen, a cosy place where cooking meets culture, introduces two culinary highlights of Switzerland. Cheese Masterclass. Explore the world of Swiss cheeses, learn to identify them, cut and plate them, and taste them with a pairing wine. Be a cheese sommelier for a day. Chocolate Workshop, where you make traditional Swiss chocolate truffles with fresh cream and a dreamy chocolate souffle with top quality Swiss chocolate. Indulge in Swiss chocolate and learn the traditional recipes. Only a few minutes ride on the street trams from the Old Town, Bahnhofstrasse and Paradeplatz. See you at Sherly's Kitchen. Book now, reserve your seat at www.sherlyskitchen.com.